How to delete business page on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your business page. After you're in the business page, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, press on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you've pressed on the gear icon at the top right, here, scroll down. Scroll down and click on Access and Control. After you've clicked on Access and Control, it will lead you to this page. In here, press on Delete Page and press on Continue at the bottom. After you've done that, it will lead you to this page. Select the reason why you want to delete your page and press on Continue. Press on Continue again. You can download your information if you want. If not, press on Continue. Then add your Facebook password. After you've added your password, press on Continue at the bottom, and then it will lead you to this page. In here, press on Delete Page at the bottom. After you've pressed on Delete Page at the bottom, your business page will be deleted. This is how to delete business page on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.